Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are going to completely change how you think about ChatGPT for your business. We're going to show you how to go way beyond just asking simple questions and start building actual, powerful systems that get you real results.
Okay, let's get right into it. See, most people, they use ChatGPT kind of like Google. You ask a question, you get an answer, and that's it. But the real power, the pro move, is to completely shift your mindset. Power users aren't just asking questions. They are building specialized assistants designed to deliver consistent, high-quality results for very specific business tasks. And that's the leap we're going to make today. So, here's our game plan. We'll start by understanding the key settings under the hood. Then we'll learn how to control the AI's creativity with this thing called temperature. After that, we'll give our AI its permanent mission, and then we'll tie it all together to build your own custom assistant that, you guessed it, delivers some real business wins.
So here's the big idea, the crucial point we're getting at. We are fundamentally changing our relationship with this tool. We're moving it from just a simple little chat window to a powerful business system that you design and that you control. All right, let's pop the hood and see how this thing is actually built. To really become a master at this, you've got to understand that there isn't just one set of settings. Nope, there are actually 3 distinct layers of control. Just think of it like a hierarchy, you know? At the very top, you have your big account level settings. This is stuff that affects everything. Data privacy, billing, the boring but important stuff. Down a level, you can control settings for each individual conversation. And then, at the most powerful level, you've got the settings for a dedicated, standalone custom GPT.
Okay, now for what is maybe one of the most powerful and honestly most misunderstood settings in that second layer, temperature. I'm telling you, getting a handle on this one dial can dramatically improve the quality of everything you get out of it.
So what on earth is it? Well, just think of it as a creativity dial. That's it. When the temperature is low, the AI sticks to the most likely, most predictable words. It gives you focused, factual, almost robotic answers. But when you crank that dial up, it starts taking more risks, exploring less common word choices, getting creative.
Now this is where it gets really interesting, because you can see how this maps directly to real-world business tasks. Right? If you need super consistent customer service responses or really precise code, you turn the temperature way down. If you're just drafting a standard report, you keep it somewhere in the middle, nice and balanced. But if you need some fresh marketing ideas, you turn that dial way up and see what kind of wild ideas it spits out.
And this quote just nails it perfectly. You can literally enforce brand consistency or foster total creativity just by adjusting this one little setting. It's all about being intentional with the tool, not just taking whatever it gives you by default.
All right, let's talk about the next piece of the puzzle for getting pro-level results, giving your AI its permanent job description. And we do that using something called a system prompt. This is the secret to getting great performance every single time. So just think of a system prompt as the AI's, its core programming, its mission statement. It's a set of instructions you give it before the conversation even starts, and it defines its personality, its purpose, and its boundaries. This is how you make sure it always follows your company's rules and acts the part you've given it. A really great system prompt boils down to these 3 things. First, its role. Who is it supposed to be? A sales coach? A technical writer? Next, you set the constraints. What should it never do? Like maybe it should never promise a feature that doesn't exist. And finally, you give it context, specific knowledge about your product, your brand, your policies. And here's a fantastic, concrete example. Just look at how specific this is. It sets the role, it dictates the formatting, and it even tells the AI how to handle situations where it doesn't know the answer. This level of detail, right here, is what separates a generic, useless response from a high-quality, reliable one.
Okay, now we get to the real power-up. This is where we put it all together. The settings, the temperature, that all-important system prompt to build your very own custom GPT. This is where you package everything up into a single, shareable tool for you or your team.
And you know what? Creating one is surprisingly easy. It's all right there inside the ChatGPT interface. You give it a name, you write that system prompt we just talked about, and then, and this is a huge deal, you can actually upload knowledge files, like your company's FAQ document or internal policies. Then you just pick its skills and connect it to other tools. And listen, if you remember one thing from this whole explainer, let it be this. The incredible, mind-blowing intelligence is already baked into the system. Your job isn't to make the AI smarter,
Your job is to give it better instructions. The quality of what you get out is 100% dependent on the quality of your system prompt and the knowledge files you feed it. That's the secret.
So, okay, why are we doing all this? What's the point? Let's look at some concrete examples of how building these little specialized AI assistants creates real, measurable value for a business.
Just imagine this. You've got a support assistant for your team. It's been fed all your internal policies, all your FAQs. So when a new ticket comes in, your team member can just ask the GPT to draft a perfect, consistent, and accurate response in literally seconds. I mean, think of the time saved there. It's massive.
Or what about for your marketing team? You could build a GPT that knows your brand voice inside and out, knows your past successful campaigns, all of it. Your team can then just generate on-brand ideas, blog outlines, social media posts, just by having a quick chat with it.
And for sales, oh man, this is an absolute game changer. A sales assistant GPT can be loaded up with all your competitive intel, your company's sales playbook. It can help your reps prep for calls, brainstorm ways to handle objections, and even draft personalized follow-up emails. Now, you have options for sharing these, right? You can keep them private, just for you. You can share them with specific teammates, or even make them public. But, and this is a big but, you have to be super careful about security. I'm serious here. Never, ever, ever upload confidential customer data or precious trade secrets into the knowledge files of a GPT that's going to be shared. Just don't do it. So when you step back and look at it, for what, 20 bucks a month? You're not just getting a little chat tool. You're getting a whole platform that lets you build an entire team of specialized AI assistants where each one is designed to solve a specific problem and deliver real, measurable value. So now that you have the playbook, I'm going to leave you with this question to chew on. What is the single most time-consuming, repetitive, or just plain frustrating task in your business right now? And how could you design a custom GPT to solve it? Because the tools, they're right there, just waiting for you to build a solution.